crash course on the United Kingdom, UK, geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to a crash course on the United Kingdom, UK, a land of diverse geography, stunning natural landscapes, and endless outdoor adventures. From majestic mountains to picturesque coastlines, the UK offers a wealth of natural beauty and thrilling activities for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The UK is situated in Northwestern Europe and comprises 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Each country boasts its own unique landscapes and outdoor wonders, showcasing the richness of the region. In England, you'll find the famous Lake District National Park, known for its serene lakes, rolling hills, and charming villages. The Peak District offers breathtaking hikes, while the Jurassic Coast reveals ancient fossils and rugged cliffs. Scotland is home to the rugged Highlands, where majestic mountains like Ben Nevis await climbers. The Isle of Skye enchants visitors with its fairy tale landscapes, and the iconic Loch Ness captures the imagination with its mythical monster tales. Wales boasts stunning national parks such as Snowdonia, where you can conquer the highest peak in Wales, Mount Snowdon. The Brecon Beacons offer scenic hikes, while the Pembrokeshire coast entices with its sandy beaches and coastal trails. Northern Ireland is known for the breathtaking Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site formed by unique hexagonal basalt columns. The Mourne Mountains offer challenging hikes, and the Causeway coastal route presents dramatic coastal vistas. But the UK isn't just about natural landscapes. It's also a land steeped in fascinating history and vibrant culture. From the iconic Stonehenge in England to the historic Edinburgh Castle in Scotland, there are countless landmarks and attractions that showcase the UK's rich heritage. Top 12 attractions in the United Kingdom, UK. 1. Stonehenge, England. 2. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. 3. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. 4. Tower of London, England. 5. Loch Ness, Scotland. 6. Windsor Castle, England. 7. Snowdonia National Park, Wales. 8. Baths Roman Baths, England. 9. St Patrick's Cathedral, Northern Ireland. 10. York Minster, England. 11. Cardiff Castle, Wales. 12. Arthur's Seat, Scotland. In summary, the United Kingdom is a treasure trove of natural landscapes, historic landmarks, and outdoor adventures. From exploring ancient ruins to hiking majestic mountains, there's something for every nature lover and history enthusiast. Immerse yourself in the beauty and rich heritage of the UK, and create memories that will last a lifetime. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the natural wonders and outdoor adventures of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom, a land of wonder. Nature's beauty, a spell we're under. From England's peaks to Scotland's glens. A tapestry of landscapes, where adventure begins. The Lake District's lakes, serene and still. A canvas of tranquility, a hiker's thrill. Mount Snowdon's summit, Wales' majestic crown. Breathless views, as the world looks down. Scotland's Highlands, rugged and grand. Ben Nevis, a challenge for those who stand. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland's pride. Hexagonal columns, along the seaside. Stonehenge stands, an ancient enigma. Whispers of the past, a mystical sigma. Edinburgh Castle, a fortress so bold. Stories untold, in its storied hold. Windsor Castle's splendor, fit for a queen. Where history and majesty convene. Baths Roman Baths, a window to the past. In the waters, echoes forever cast. York Minster's spires, reaching for the sky. A testament to faith, as time goes by. Cardiff Castle, Wales' regal abode. Where tales of knights and legends explode. In Arthur's Seat, Scotland's earthly throne. Nature's embrace, a kingdom of its own. The United Kingdom, a treasure trove, where nature and history interwove. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?AD = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.